What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm actually going to talk about what you guys actually need to learn or know before you start getting your feet wet with the JavaScript framework. Guys, I'm going to give it to you guys straight. I'm not going to break or to waste your time. So first of all, you actually need to know your HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yeah, you need to know those basics when you actually become a front-end developer. But for you to get into the JavaScript framework, you need to know the JavaScript basics. And the JavaScript basics actually, you need to know the JavaScript syntax, its variables, how to use JavaScript variables, how to work with arrays and objects in JavaScript, functions, loops, events, and most of all conditionals. Yeah, when actually done this, guys, you actually gotten the basics of JavaScript. Then you want to move over to the advanced features of JavaScript, like advanced array methods, which include the map, how to use the map keyword, the map function, I mean JavaScript, the filter function, the for each, and the reduce. Also, guys, you also want to know how to use the arrow functions. Very important. Arrow functions actually than the ES's way of writing JavaScript functions in a much cleaner and shorter way. I use the arrow function. Also, the lexical keyword, this keyword. We know how to use the this keyword when writing the arrow function. Also, guys, we want to know how to use ES's modules like the import, the export in JavaScript. You can use that especially when working with node.js. Yeah, that's very important too, guys. How to use promises, trivial known as callbacks, promises, sync await. I actually had a video of that in the channel, you can check it out. Promises, sync await, the fetch API. I use the fetch API, which is a new ES's way of getting data from different API. Fetch API. The API stands for the Application Programming Interface. Also, you want to know how to use destructuring. It's a new ES's feature added to JavaScript. It helps you to unpack elements from an array or object. So we know how to use destructuring, guys. And one of the most important feature I think you guys should know how to use JavaScript is classes. It's very important, especially when you're creating complex projects like different kind of coding projects. You know how to group your code in classes. You know how to use constructors, how to work with methods, properties, instantiation. Can I say that right? Instantiation, and also extending, guys. Then moreover, I think we want to know how to use the spread operator. Yeah, spread operator in working in arrays and objects too. Spread operator helps very well, saves you time, and saves you some bits of line of code. And with all that said, guys, that's pretty much my personal opinion, what I think you need to know before you can start actually learning a framework. As you can see on my screen, I have three the most popular frameworks: Vue.js, AngularJS, and react.js. One of the most popular right now is React. Vue just coming up. Angular was created by Google. So, guys, I actually want to know this concept by giving out this video, guys. Then also, this actually probably to me is optional. You want to know about DOM? Yeah, the JavaScript DOM, but it's optional depending on when you want to use JavaScript for, either on the back end or on the front end. So you want to know about JavaScript DOM, that is a document object model. So it's optional for you guys. So this few short tips I've given in this video, guys, you also be on your way to learn JavaScript framework very easy, because if you just learn the JavaScript basics and you don't learn the advanced features, it's going to be a lot harder when you're trying to learn a framework. You're going to find things difficult, you're going to get confused, because most of these frameworks, either Vue, React, or Angular, they make use of all these JavaScript concepts. So it's it's a very good idea for you to get grasp the good knowledge of all these concepts I mentioned. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if I didn't mention anything in this video, please drop it in the comment section below. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, share the video. It really helps the channel, guys. Please, guys, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get updated when I drop new videos like this, guys. And guys, stay safe. Till then, I'll be back in another video which is coming up pretty soon. And that video, I'm actually gonna talk about, yeah, I think what is the best, in my perspective, what the best JavaScript framework I think you should know or learn to start using a framework in JavaScript. So guys, see you guys in the next video.